Welcome to this introduction to Chime Error Code 310. This error signifies an unable to sign in issue when using the Chime mobile banking app. The Chime app is a popular fintech service offering fee-free checking accounts and early access to paychecks. Error code 310 commonly arises from authentication failures, app glitches, or account restrictions. Common causes include authentication failures, app glitches, and account restrictions. Here's what the error looks like in the app. Understanding the root causes and solutions can help you quickly regain access to your account. Several factors can trigger error code 310 in the Chime app. Let's explore the main causes of this login issue. One common cause is incorrect login credentials, such as wrong username or password. This often appears as an unable to sign in message. Expired passwords can also trigger the error. Users may receive notifications about password expiration, requiring an update to continue accessing the app. Account verification holds occur when Chime detects suspicious activity, requiring users to verify their account through additional steps to ensure security. Device or app cache issues can cause authentication problems. Clearing the app cache often resolves these, as shown in browser settings examples. Finally, network connectivity problems can lead to error code 310. Unstable internet connections or troubleshooting steps may be needed to fix login issues. Addressing these potential causes systematically can help resolve error code 310 and restore access to your Chime account. The most common reason for error code 310 is entering the wrong username or password. This simple mistake can prevent you from accessing your Chime account. When you see this error, check that your caps lock key is off, ensure the spelling and case are correct, and verify you're using the right account credentials. Another common issue is expired passwords. If you haven't logged in for an extended period, your password may have expired automatically. Resetting your Chime password is a straightforward process using the app's built-in features. Start by opening the Chime app and selecting the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. You may receive a password reset email with a secure link to click. Alternatively, you might receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app to proceed with the reset. Once verified, create a new strong password with at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Chime may place a temporary hold on your account if they detect suspicious activity. This is a security measure designed to protect your funds from potential fraud. Suspicious activity can include unusual login attempts, transactions from unfamiliar locations, or large transfers that don't match your typical patterns. When suspicious activity is flagged, Chime's security systems automatically initiate a verification hold to prevent unauthorized access. This helps safeguard your money while the issue is investigated. To resolve this, contact Chime support immediately through the app's in-app chat or by email. You'll need to verify your identity, which may involve providing additional information or completing security questions. Once verified, the hold will be removed and you'll regain access to your account. Over time, cached data in the Chime app can become corrupted, leading to login problems like error code 310. Clearing the app cache is a simple way to resolve these issues without losing your account data. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Chime, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. For iOS devices, you can offload the Chime app to clear its cache and data, then reinstall it from the App Store. This process keeps your app's settings while removing potentially corrupted files. To clear the app cache on an Android device, start by opening your device's Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Next, find the Apps or Application Manager section in your Settings menu. This is where you can manage all installed applications on your device. Once in the Apps section, locate the Chime app from the list of installed applications. Tap on it to open the app details. In the app details, tap on Storage to view storage-related options for the Chime app. Finally, select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. This process can help resolve authentication issues by clearing corrupted data that may be causing conflicts. After clearing the cache, try logging back into Chime. If issues persist, consider reinstalling the app or contacting support. On iOS devices, you can offload the Chime app to remove it while preserving your data and settings. This process clears the app's cache and can resolve login issues like error code 310. After offloading, reinstall Chime from the App Store to get a fresh version. To offload the app, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, scroll down and tap on General in the Settings menu. Then select iPhone Storage to view app storage details. Find Chime in the list of apps and tap on it. Finally, choose the Offload App option to remove the app while keeping your data safe. Once offloaded, go to the App Store, search for Chime, and reinstall the app. This gives you a clean version that often fixes login problems. Network connectivity problems are a common cause of Chime Error Code 310. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent successful authentication and login attempts. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from logging into Chime. The app requires a stable connection to verify your credentials and complete the authentication process. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Poor signal strength can lead to timeouts during the login process, triggering error code 310. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes, one network may be experiencing problems while the other provides a stable connection for login. Using an outdated version of the Chime app can lead to compatibility issues and login errors like code 310. To prevent this, ensure you have the latest version installed from your device's App Store. On iOS devices, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, scroll to find Chime and update it. On Android, open Google Play Store, tap the menu, select My Apps and Games, and update Chime if an update is available. Remember to check for updates regularly to keep your Chime app current and avoid potential login problems. If the Chime app is not working and showing error code 310, try verifying your account status through the Chime website. Access chime.com on a computer or another device to check for any issues preventing login. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Chime website. Use a computer or different device if the app is having trouble on your phone. Once on the website, attempt to log in using your username and password. You may need to complete additional verification steps if prompted by the system. After logging in, check your account status for any KYC flags. KYC stands for Know Your Customer and involves identity verification processes that Chime uses to comply with regulations. Also, look for any fraud alerts that may be active on your account. Fraud alerts are security measures that can temporarily restrict access if suspicious activity is detected, helping protect your account from unauthorized use. If you find any flags or alerts, or if you still cannot access your account, contact Chime support for assistance. They can help resolve any verification issues. Token-based authentication is a modern approach to keeping users securely logged in without storing passwords on servers. Chime implements this using JSON Web Tokens, or JWTs, which are compact, self-contained tokens that carry user identity information. A JWT consists of three main parts: a header containing the token type and algorithm, a payload with user data and claims, and a signature for verification. This structure allows the token to be validated without database lookups. When you log into Chime, the server generates a JDT and sends it back. For subsequent requests, your app includes this token in the authorization header, allowing the server to verify your identity quickly. Error code 310 often occurs when a JWT expires or becomes invalid. This happens because tokens have a limited lifespan for security reasons, typically lasting from minutes to hours, depending on the service. When this happens, you need to re-authenticate by logging in again. This generates a fresh JT, allowing you to continue using the app securely. Chime ties logins to unique device identifiers. Changes like SIM swaps, app reinstalls, or operating system updates can invalidate this verification, triggering error code 310. Ensure your device is properly registered with your account. Rate limiting and fraud prevention measures help protect Chime accounts from unauthorized access. To prevent brute force attacks, where attackers try many password combinations, Chime limits the number of login attempts. For instance, users can only make 5 login attempts per hour before the account is temporarily locked. Additionally, Chime uses AI-based anomaly detection to identify suspicious behavior, such as logins from unusual locations or devices. If triggered, this can result in a temporary account lock, as shown in this notification. To avoid these issues, users should avoid repeated failed login attempts and follow secure practices. API and backend integration issues can sometimes trigger error code 310 in Chime. The error can arise from Chime's integration with third-party services like Plaid for account linking and Experian for credit checks. API timeouts or connectivity problems with these services can prevent successful logins, leading to the error. A simple yet effective troubleshooting step is to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data connections. This can help determine if the issue is related to your network connectivity. On iOS devices, access the Control Center to toggle Wi-Fi and cellular data. Swipe down from the top right corner to open it, then tap the Wi-Fi or cellular icons to switch connections. On Android devices, swipe down from the top to access quick settings. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off and switch to cellular data or vice versa. This isolates whether the problem is with your Wi-Fi network. You can also check cellular data settings in your device settings to ensure it's enabled. This method helps identify if network issues are causing the Chime login error. By switching networks, you can quickly test if the problem persists on different connections, helping to narrow down the cause of error code 310. For advanced users, checking device logs via tools like Android's Logcat can reveal underlying issues such as SSL certificate mismatches that might be causing the error. This requires technical expertise. Fintech companies are increasingly shifting to biometric and passwordless login methods to solve common authentication issues. This change uses unique physical characteristics like fingerprints and facial features instead of traditional passwords. Biometric authentication offers several advantages. It significantly reduces password-related errors, such as forgotten passwords or expired credentials, while providing enhanced security that's difficult to replicate. There are various types of biometric methods available, including fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, iris scanning, and others. These technologies use unique biological traits for verification. For example, Face ID on iOS devices requires users to position their face within the camera frame and complete a circular motion to set up facial recognition. This creates a secure, passwordless login method. Similarly, fingerprint authentication can include animated feedback, such as the Stardust effect shown here, making the login process more engaging and confirming successful verification. This trend towards biometric logins is expected to become more widespread in fintech applications, offering users a seamless and secure way to access their accounts without the frustrations of traditional password systems. AI-driven authentication uses machine learning to assess risks in real time, helping to reduce false positives that can cause error code 310 by accurately identifying legitimate users. This circular process shows how AI continuously monitors and evaluates risks, from identification to verification, ensuring adaptive security measures. The confusion matrix illustrates fraud detection outcomes, where AI minimizes false positives, incorrectly flagging valid users that lead to login errors like code 310. For compliant users, AI personalizes the login flow, streamlining authentication and reducing friction while maintaining robust protection against threats. Regulatory pressures from laws like the CCPA and GDPR are driving fintech companies to improve how they handle errors for users. Two key regulations pushing for better practices are the CCPA in California and the GDPR in the European Union. These regulations require fintech companies to be transparent about how they handle user data and resolve errors. As a result, companies like Chime now provide real-time explanations for errors directly within the app, helping users understand what went wrong and how to fix it. In November 2025, Chime released a mandatory app update to version 3.4.0, which unfortunately caused widespread error code 310 sign-in issues for over 200,000 users. The problems persisted for 72 hours, affecting users who tried to log in after the update. To address this fallout, Chime issued a public apology and provided $10 credit compensation to all affected users as a gesture of goodwill. This incident highlighted the importance of implementing phased rollouts and conducting thorough testing before releasing updates to ensure better user experience and minimize disruptions. Error Code 310 highlights the delicate balance between security enhancements and user experience. Overzealous security measures can inadvertently burden legitimate users. Adaptive authentication is key to finding the right balance. Security and user experience often pull in opposite directions. Too much security can frustrate users, while too little security leaves accounts vulnerable. This balance is crucial in fintech apps like Chime. On one side, we have user experience. Error Code 310 demonstrates how security measures can burden legitimate users, causing frustration when trying to access their accounts. On the other side, we have security protection. Strong measures like multi-factor authentication are essential to prevent unauthorized access and protect user funds. The solution lies in adaptive authentication. Unlike traditional multi-factor authentication, which is static and can be burdensome, adaptive authentication is flexible and ongoing. Adaptive authentication uses AI to assess risk in real time, adjusting security requirements based on context. This creates personalized login flows that provide strong protection without unnecessary friction for legitimate users. By finding the right balance between security and user experience, fintech companies like Chime can protect users while maintaining a smooth, accessible service.